One of the important lessons that content creation taught me that I still keep reminding myself is that I was caring too much about people, too much, that I end up having lots of fears, like fear of judgment, fear of getting rejected, fear of getting mocked by someone. For example, if I'm outside, I'm recording and someone look at me and I'm like, what if I do this? What if they think like this? And having like lack of confidence, undervaluing the knowledge you have, and at the end of the day, you're not doing the things that you want to do, that you know you have the potential, and end up being not the version of yourself that's actually true. Because at the end of the day, those negative people, they will always find that 0.01% bad thing in your character, in your content, anything you have, to point it out to you and say, hey, you are a bad person. But even if they don't find it, even if you're 100% perfect person, they will try to create a bad thing and attach it to you and create assumptions and say, hey, you are this and that. And I think those people doesn't have a place or value in your life to make you even uncomfortable and stress out and these kind of things. That's what content creation teach me, that if you want to create a content, if you want to be yourself, if you want to share the value, the mindset, the thinking that you have with the people, or if you want to share your journey, do not worry about what they think about you. Focus on yourself first. And yeah, if you're someone who's still in that insecurity, like in confidence situation, I think it's more important to think about yourself and just who cares. For example, I'm creating this video right now. If someone comes up or if someone drives by and looks at me, I don't care anymore, because content creation taught me this lesson that it's only me. They will look at me, or they will do something, or they will assume, because you can naturally tell by just looking. But at the end of the day, it's you only that can improve you. Yeah, and it's very important. And that's why if you're in that insecure situation, one of the biggest thing you can do is challenge yourself. I remember the time when I was watching a video about public speaking and confidence, how I'm going to improve it. One of the challenge was go in a cafe like nearby and you around in your local area and ask them for a free coffee. Like, hey, can I get a free coffee today? That was a challenge which really interested me. I'm like, what if I go and say that? They will not kill me. They would just might laugh or say, oh, we can't do it. At the end of the day, nothing will be changed massively, and you don't have to create that big of a fear in your mind. Oh, what if I ask $5 coffee for free? What if they don't give it to me? Or what if they give it to me? What they would think of me? Would they think I'm poor? Or you're just creating those assumptions that would not happen in the future. You just putting yourself down. And that challenge was very interesting for me. And when it comes to content creation, I think it's very important. The one thing which helps you a lot is recording video outside like this. Let people watch you, then becomes a bit more like normal for you. You become more confident, and then you feel like you're just doing it very relaxed and comfortable, and you don't have any issue. Because I know a lot of people have this issue, having like insecurity and lack of confidence and fear of rejection and judgment, these kind of things. Yeah, that was the biggest lesson I learned from creating content since I started 4 years ago.